Hopefully they got a new episode of Wall to Wall. On the next episode of Wall to Wall.
I'm Tulip.
I'm a wall.
What, George?
I'm a wall.
Can I come in?
No, I'm a
Come
wall.
in.
I'm a wall. You dumb. I'm a wall. I'm a wall. I'm
Can I
a
watch
wall.
some
I'm a
wall with
I'm the
you?
wall.
No, go watch your own wall.
My wall don't have that many channels.
I'm a wall.
That's your problem.
I'm a freaking wall. I'm a wall. Stop. I'm a wall, yeah.